Hey, this is Nora here from Fieldproxy, and me along with my good friends, Max and Yori, help you automate around 90% of backend operations for your field service business. Let's take a scenario you may encounter. Say, one of your technicians, John, calls in sick at the last moment and tells you he cannot make it for the upcoming week. This must be a pretty stressful scenario for you to deal with, having to now quickly scramble, get a view of your existing technicians' availability, try and move things around, identify suitable technicians, and then reassign them, and also apologize to the customers if at all there's any change in schedule. It's a pretty complex task that takes up a lot of your valuable time. But me along with Max and Yori help you do this in seconds. Once John calls in sick, you want to understand if at all he has any pending jobs. So you can ask Max, our data expert, to pull up the list of pending jobs for John in the upcoming week. Max understands conversational English. You need not specify exact date ranges or the exact dates. Text him like you would text a human, and Max gets the context. Max understands it, and over here you can see he has pulled up a list of jobs, each of them pretty high priority breakdown jobs. Once you get the list of jobs, you want to identify who's the right technician to reassign all these jobs to. So you can quickly ask me, Nora, your scheduling and dispatching expert, on who would be the best technician to reassign each of the jobs to. I know everything about your technician schedule, your dispatch queue, your technician skill sets, the skill sets that are required for the job, the current location of all of your technicians, their relationship with the customer, and quickly suggest who I feel is the best fit for each of the jobs. So you can see I pulled up for each of the jobs the most suitable replacements, with a focus on minimal change in schedule and even distribution of load. Post-assigning, you would need to inform the customers of the change in the technician who would be visiting their premises. You can ask us to draft a quick email to send to the customer. And this is when Yori, our customer communications and customer support agent, steps in to help you draft a personalized email to each of the customers. Yori knows your entire customer history and writes like how you would. This ensures every mail is personally crafted and does not look like a robotic email drafted by a machine. Here you can see Yori has quickly pulled up the customer email addresses and drafted personalized emails that need to go to each of the customers. And you can click over here to review and send the emails. So in seconds, you have pulled up the list of pending jobs for John, identified suitable replacements, and also sent personalized communications. The best part about Yori, Max, and me is you don't have to always chat with us. We are embedded deeply into the field service management workflows that you're used to. Say, you get a new emergency request. You can just quickly ask me to create a work order, and I'll create one, assign a technician, and dispatch one in seconds. Again, in case any of the jobs are overshooting their schedule for the technicians, I can quickly reassign this to other available technicians. Similarly with Yori, she can manage your service inbox and reply to emails. No more manually responding to where is my technician or when is my next service visit emails. Yori can also draft custom follow-up emails for any pending invoices, estimates, or contracts. Similarly, I do not need to run through all of these reports that I have in my field service system. I can just quickly ask Max to pull up data from any of the reports. And in case there's complex documentation of your assets and machines, and you want to quickly find any error codes or pull up the checklist you need to fill, you can ask Max over here. You can keep an active track of the tasks all of us have completed, even though we never slack off, in case you feel we can help ease some of the workload of managing your field service business. Feel free to reach out to our creators and hire us. We cannot wait to work for you and hope to see you soon.